going on YouTube.
Let me introduce myself. This is Danish, and I make Call of Duty videos.
And this is what I mean about the Hurricane Irene.
This is unreal. Oh my God! I think they're going to be no more. The big rock isn't covered; it's underwater. I know.
That big splash right there used to be a big rock you could jump off.
Well, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys later.
Yeah, I'm putting this on my Facebook. Let's go.
It's all river now. Let's get out of here, guys. I'm like nervous. You know, like, oh, okay, I didn't know you had taken a ride already. No, are you shitting me? I'm like, what if the kids goes out? What am I gonna do? Leave them here by themselves? You know what I mean? I said, forget that. If I'm gonna get stuck, at least I'll be stuck.